Hi, here is the Olympus 35 DC overall conditions. Okay, the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. Using one LR44 battery. It's like this. Okay, then we just put it inside. Then you can see here got a positive sign, which means that the battery positive is faced out. Okay. Then we just lock it. If this camera without battery, it cannot function. You cannot press the shutter. Or another type of environment, which is like too dark, then you cannot fire the shutter. It will lock. Okay. Next step, by open here to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. I have replaced the light seal for you. Okay. Here is the way to load the film. We need to slide from the bottom to the top, like that. Okay. Make sure that the rewind knob have fit into the film, because sometimes it might stuck lah, because here is like different kind of way. If it's stuck, then we slightly turn a bit, then we'll be okay lah. And the film tip, we need to insert into here, this compartment. Okay, you can see here got a small teeth, is in order to catch the film. And we just insert into it like that. Okay, then another hand, you're holding the film and wind it. Yeah. From see this means that it loose, so we need to load it again. Okay, you see now it's stuck. It will come out a bit, and we just push it. We'll do. Okay, like that means that it's okay. Then we just close it. How to make sure you have loaded the film properly? When you wind the film, look at here. It will move together. Yeah, like that. And the next step is to adjust the ISO of the film. We need to turn the focus to the nearest. Then we turn this ring. Okay. Just now the film is 400. We just turn to 400. We'll do. Yeah, like that. Then all the way, we just can start shooting. Here is the focus, and here's the viewfinder. Look into the viewfinder. You find out at the center point here, got a yellow box. So we call it like rangefinder. We need to adjust the focus ring in order to let, you will see like there's a split image. We need to adjust until they align together, which means that it's focused. And the bottom part is, when you half press, you see it got a needle. It will show you like the current setting is. When it's too dark, then you need to hold it properly in order to have a clearer image. If not, it will be blur. Yeah. Then this is designed for the flash use, so you can just ignore it. Then here is the timer. When you want to use the timer, wind it and push it down. Click it. Wait for it. So overall it's like this. It's kind of simple because it's all you need is just like adjust the focus will do. Okay. Then when you should finish, how to know whether you finish or not? Here have a film counter. It will show you how many shots you have took. While I recommend you wind until they cannot wind anymore, then only you click the bottom button, the black one. Okay. After that, flip here out and start rewind. Here you can see there's an arrow, show you the way to rewind. Rewind until it suddenly become very loose, which means that it's okay already. Then we just open it and take our film out to develop. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed.